Hello and welcome. It is the start of Silage 2018 and I've come to Wellheads farm to capture the start of it. Now, if you are new to the channel, you probably won't recognise the name Wellheads farm, but if you're not, you will. It was one of the videos last year where I came and I filmed silage last year, but I wasn't just quite happy with the video, so I thought we'll come back this year and make it better.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You I'm ready to let go. 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 You got to let it go.
Just down the field there we have the 6930 Premium John Deere. You can probably see it just behind me there. On the front of that we've got the 3200 conditioner mower, and on the back we've got the 3150 conditioner mower. So another good thing to mention would be the Barker Farming Snapchat story. Basically, if you haven't got me on Snapchat, add me now. It's Barker_farming. On there is what we're calling the Barker Farming fans story, and farmers from all over just put pictures of day-to-day farming life on, whether you're in a tractor, just doing some yard work, whatever. And it's good because farmers from all over can see what other farmers are up to. So yeah, get it added. Yeah, it's worth it. So now we've just basically finished this field. Oliver's just dropped all behind me. He's just got a little bit to do here, and then Matt will be coming in with the tedder to ted it all. So Matt's in another field tedding at the minute, which will probably stay in this field because it's a big open field, easy to see. So I'll probably put the camera back on when Matt gets into the field with the tedder. That's how much Ollie's got left to do. So yeah. You got to let it go. See behind me now, Ollie's just finished the field. He's going on to the one just to my left, so Matt should be coming in here soon. Matt's been in that field and he's just come to tell me the wheels come off. Brilliant. So this field won't be getting tedded until he's fixed it, to which I don't know if I'll have ended the video by then. So yeah. Alright, so we're probably going to round the video off there. Oliver's still mowing. I don't know if you can see him in the background. Obviously we can't get any tedding footage because the wheels come off, but I am back here tomorrow, so we might be able to get some tedding footage, some rowing up footage and actual chopping footage. So yeah, it should be alright. So go and have the Snapchat and I'll see you next time. Cheers.
Let it go.